Today, I'm going to show you how to check your Gmail password if you've forgotten it. Don't worry, the steps are really simple, and you can do them directly from your phone. Hi, welcome back to PI Tutorial. To check your Gmail password directly from your phone. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down until you see Google, then tap on it. On the Google Services page, tap on your Gmail address. If you have more than one account, you'll be able to choose which Google account you want to manage. After that, tap Manage your Google account. Inside your Google account, go to the Security and Sign-in section. Here there are two ways to get back your Gmail password. Method 1, using Password Manager. Scroll down until you find Password Manager, then tap it. Next, tap your profile picture and choose Manage Passwords on this device. You'll now see a list of all the saved passwords. Find google.com and tap on it. Enter your phone's screen lock password. Once you do that, your Gmail password will appear. Just tap the little eye icon to reveal it. That's the first method. Method 2, resetting your password. If your password wasn't saved or the first method doesn't work, scroll down and tap on Password. Google will ask you to create a new password. It must be at least 8 characters long, and yes, you can reuse your old password if you want. In the Confirm Password field, type it again. If you see a red warning, it means they don't match. In that case, tap the eye icon to check what you typed. Once everything is correct, tap Change Password. Tap Change Password. Wait a moment, and congratulations! Your Gmail password has been successfully updated. Simple, right? And that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share. See you again in the next tutorial on PI Tutorial.